In this video, we will talk about few of the list operation that are very basic. Okay, now don't be worried. We are going to talk each of the Python data tables in depth, considering all its available APIs or inbuilt functions. Okay, so let's see what is list slicing. As we have learned in our previous section of videos when we were studying string, we also learned string operation, that is slicing and string. So it works pretty in the same way with respect to list as well. So let's take a list. I is equals to some values 100, 10.9, hello. So I have a list consisting of three variables. Let me add few more data. 99 .j. Okay, so what is slicing? So here you can see each of them are denoted with index value. We can access them using its respective index number 3 and 4. Okay, now let's dive into what exactly slicing means. In previous video, we were accessing the list using its index value, that is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Now what if I want to access more than one element just by providing the index value? That seems confusing, isn't it? So this is the trick. Okay, so when I write square bracket, okay, it can take multiple values as well, separated by colon. For instance, say it has three definite values, that is start point, okay, and stop point and step point. I'll explain each one of them what it really means. I have I, okay, when I remove this, when I print I, okay, let's print that Python space list operation.py, so it prints complete list. Now what if I add square bracket, okay, and here I'll just add colon here, save it, execute it. So there is no difference between our previous output and the current output, right? Here when I say colon, it Python expects index value towards its left as well as towards its right. The value that it expects towards its left is the starting point. For example, say here I will enter 2, okay, I'll execute this now. So 2 points to hello, and right side it is a stop value. Stop, we are not providing any stop value. So it means that it start accessing the value from the index number pointing value to rest of till the end of that particular array. Here it will print from the index position 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Now here compare the output. It starts from hello until the end of this particular array. So this is how start works. Say I don't want to access the last item, I just want to access till the third item. So what if I write till 3, save it, okay, let me clear the screen, execute it. Now here you can see what, so it just prints only the hello that is available in index 2. Why not this 3? Because I am specifying it as 3. Yeah, this is the trick. So when you type the stop point, stop index, the actual index is not included, which means when I say 4, okay, when I say 4, it goes up to the 4th index but not the 4th index. Let's execute this. Here you can see it goes from 2, index value 2 and 3 but not the 4th. It means up to 4 but not the 4th item. Okay, that's the meaning. Now we have seen the start point, stop point. So when we need to extract element from a position values we are indicating some index, to a stop position value that is indicating with the stop index. So we can access